Hi, girl, you just caught my eye. Thought I should give it a try and get your name and your number. Go grab some lunch and eat some cucumbers. Why did I say that? I don't know why, but you're smiling and it's something I like on your face. Yeah, it suits you. Girl, we connect like we have Bluetooth. I don't know why I'm drawn to you. Could you be the other one so we'd equal two? And this is all based on a lucky chance that you would rather add than subtract. You and I could be like Sonny and Cher, Honey and Bears, oh. And you and I could be like Aladdin and Jasmine. Let's make it happen like la 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 la. Hey, how've you been? I know that it's been a while. Are you tired? Cause you've been on my mind, running thousands and thousands of miles. Sorry, I know that that line's out of style, but you look so beautiful on this starry night. Loving the way the moonlight catches your eyes and your smile. I'm captivated, your beauty is timeless, never outdated. I don't know why I'm drawn to you. Could you be the other one so we'd equal two? And this is all based on a lucky chance that you would rather add than subtract. You and I could be like Sonny and Cher, Honey and Bears, yeah. And you and I could be like Aladdin and Jasmine. Let's make it happen. Babe, it's been 5 years since that special day when I asked you on our first date. I guess it's safe to say that you and I are better than Sonny and Cher, Honey and Bears, yeah. And you and I are better than Aladdin and Jasmine. We've made it happen, singing la 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 la. La 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 la. Let me say, you look so beautiful on our wedding day. Peace.
Hey guys! Hello guys! Maraming salamat sa nanonood ng video. Kung nga pala si yan, sa taas. Sa susunod, gagawa ko ng video na short film. And then, dun sa kwento na ginawa ko kasi kung gumawa ko kagabi, kaya natagalan ako upload ng video na ginawa kong album. Yan. Dito yung lapis kasi yung sinulat ko. Nasa loob nito yung script tungkol sa kwentong gagawin ko tungkol sa buhay OFW dito sa sa Japan. Manood kayo. Pero siguro matatagalan pa akong makagawa nun kasi kailangan ng panahon, oras. Busy kami. Araw-araw may trabaho. Pag linggo naman, pahinga namin. Pero try namin yung best namin kung kaya nga namin mag-arte ng parang isang artista. Kaya guys, manood kayo. At saka siguro hindi lang ako, hindi lang kayo, siguro buong Pilipino na nandyan sa Pinas, kung sino man makakita ng video yung gagawin namin, short film lang yun, siguro maaantig ang puso nyo. Kasi may mga pamilya tayong na ganyan na padalhin mo kami ng pera kasi ganyan. Hindi nila alam kung anong buhay namin dito. Kaya pasensya na rin sa kasi kagabi sa Tumblr may gusto rin talagang manood ng video na ginawa ko, pero siya picture. Pasensya na rin kayo kung ganitong boses ko, medyo masakit yung lalamunan ko. Tawag nito. Basta yun, panoorin nyo. At saka siguro matagalan kami, siguro aabot kami ng mga ilang buwan siguro, o kaya isang taon, kasi kagaya na nga sinabi ko, may trabaho kami dito. Tapos kasi ganito kasi yung buhay namin, ikikwento ko sa inyo kahit short lang, konti. Ito kasi ang buhay namin. Pag-isip sa umaga, trabaho. Pag-uwi, nasa bahay. Kumbaga, trabaho, bahay, ganyan. Kukuha pa ako ng ng mga taong marunong talagang, kumbaga, yung script na nandito, kaya nga nila kasi medyo makadamdamin. Kaya guys, salamat sa inyo at abangan nyo na lang. Bye bye guys.